Hello viewers, welcome back to your channel Exam Concept. Today's topic you can see on the board I have written adverb, and today I am going to discuss about adverb, more about adverbs and adverbials. Before going to describe about adverbs, first we have to know what is adverb. What can adverb do? So let's see what can adverbs do. You see on the screen adverbs. First you write down this definition. This is very important. If you know the definition of adverbs, then you can easily understand what is adverb. What can adverb do? First definition, adverb, an adverb is a word used to qualify any part of speech except noun and pronoun. Parts of speech everybody knows: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection, determinants, the articles. So these are called the parts of speech. So adverb definition is like that. An adverb is a word used to qualify any part of speech except noun or pronoun. Again, another definition I've written. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, and another adverb, and others, except noun and pronoun. But before going to explain all these things, how does an adverb modify the other part of speech? First of all, because I have seen some videos in YouTube also, because they have, guided the people that within 2 minutes you will learn the grammars and all. Yeah, be frankly, I want to tell you, any grammar, vernacular language, English, Bengali, Hindi, any grammar, if you go through, if you want to learn anything, any topics, then need practice. And within 2-3 minutes, it is not possible that you can grab everything. Step by step, you have to go. You have to understand everything from the root to top. But directly, you cannot climb a tree. So anyhow, any grammar, I told that yes, vernacular mediums like that, Bengali, Hindi, Assamese, wherever, any grammar, any literature grammars, if you want to learn, then you have to go through it step by step. One day you cannot learn. Within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you cannot learn the grammar. Grammar actually cannot learn. Grammar is a concept. If you understand the concept, then it will be easy for you. So no problem. I am trying my level best, and I cannot assure you that within my with this only one video you will learn the adverbs and what are the adverbs and how many kinds of adverbs are there. Everything you will learn within one video. It's not possible. So ultimately, step by step you will learn. Just like grammar or English, tense is very important. If you know the tense, then you will know about the present tense, past tense, future tense. Again, present tense, 4 parts are there: present indefinite, continuous, present perfect continuous. Like the same way, past also have to follow, and future also. And there are so many things are there. It's a vast, like a sea. So today I am going to discuss, just to make you understand what is adverb and how can it modifies. One by one, I will give step by step, one sentence I will write, and I will explain, because in my all the videos you have seen, I have done with a digital board. But today I decided, no, I will come here and I will practice with you. Let's see. It also helped me to gather more knowledge. So begins. First one, that adverb. Here you see adverbs written. adverb modifies verb. First verb. Adverb modifies verb. How does adverb modify verbs? This is very simple. Adverb can modify a verb. That's why in English literature, English grammar, adjective and adverbs are called the ornaments of these parts of speech. Okay, adjectives and adverbs are called the ornaments. So you see this adverb can modify verb. Suppose one sentence I will write, then you can easily understand. Here you can see, he walks. Yeah. Now also, 1 minute. Now you can see he walks slowly. The fox runs quickly. Okay. So here, subject, this is called subject, this is called verb, and this is called adverb. You see, he is a subject, walks is a verb, and slowly is an adverb. How does an adverb modifies the verb? You see, what is written? Walk slowly. That is related to this, not that one. It is not connected with he. Yeah, it is connected with verb. I am walking. I walk. He walks. The fox runs quickly. That means runs quickly. That is called the modify the verbs. Understand this one? Simple. He eats slowly. So he eats slowly. Eats is a verb and slowly is called adverb. Now, next one, this is the example of how does an adverb modifies verb. Now come to adjectives. Adjectives, you know, adjective means is strong, brave, beautiful, intelligent. I'm talking about the quality. It's called adjective of quality. Suppose my sister is a very beautiful girl. If I write like that, as Anita is a very now you can see Anita is a very beautiful girl. Anita is subject, is a beaver, a is a article, very don't know. Okay, I don't know. Later I'll say. Beautiful is called adjective. And this is girl. Okay. beautiful girl is called adjective. Then very is what? Very is called adverb. Very is called adverb. So you see, very beautiful, this very beautiful. Automatically. So very plays an important role to modify an adjective. Very simple. No need to think about it. Slowly. I never told you that in one video, two video, you will learn everything. Wait and watch. Continuously, step by step you go and you will get some more knowledge. And I told you, practice makes a man perfect. Every time you have to practice. Then you will get more and more knowledge. Next one. So these are functions of adverb. How does an adverb modify this adjective? Very good. Now next one. Adverb will modify another adverb. In the definition I have given, the adverb can modify with another adverbs. Let's see again one sentence I'll write. She speaks. Okay. She speaks. What I have written? EXTREMELY. Yes. EXTREMELY. Extremely well. She is a subject, speaks is a verb. Well is adverb. Something I have added here new. She speaks well. This is the sentence. But I have entered one word here that is called extremely. This is called adverb. And this adverb modifies this. She speaks extremely well. Give some push. Okay, boost. So this is a simple example that how does an adverb qualifies or modifies the another adverb. This is very simple. The adverbs can modify another. Very good. You understand. Next one. Suppose you can see I have written preposition. Okay. So adverb can modify a preposition. How? Adverbs can modify a preposition. Very simple. Suppose the bird flew. The bird flew The bird flew. The bird is a subject. Flew is a verb. Over is a preposition. Our head is called. Okay. So the bird flew over our head. But here adverbs not there. So I can put adverb. Any idea? Anything, just what you can add here. The bird flew. Bird flew. Anything you think, any word you think that what you can put here between this flew and over. Exactly, you are correct. Exactly, you are correct. That means exactly you are correct. So why we cannot write EXACTLY? EXACTLY, exactly over our head. So this exactly I put here, this is called adverb. Correct? So in this way, that verbs, adverbs always modifies the other. Simple. Determiners also. This adverb can modify determiners. Adverb can modify the determiners also. Huh? I have dash any friend. Friend, no friends. I have dash any friends. Any word you can use here, because I don't like friends. I don't like friends. I like only the books, only mobile and laptop, mostly the electronic gadgets. But I have what? Yes, correct. Negative word. I don't have any friends. So exactly you can use some word as an affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentence without using not. Hardly, correct. And my last video I told you the hard and hardly, the difference between hard and hardly, scarcely, negative. I have hardly any friends. That hardly is called adverb. In this way, other things also there. Slowly, slowly, step by step you learn. I promise you that you will learn better. Don't think that within 10 minutes, within 15 minutes, within one video, you can learn everything. Not possible. Okay. Practice makes a man perfect. Always practice hard, work hard, be a diligent people, then obviously you will learn more. So today in this video, only one thing I have disclosed here. describe here. That is the main activities of the adverb. What can adverb do and how can adverb do? And after this video, if you like it, if you like my video, and if you watch my video, then obviously I will think, before I told that yes, you subscribe my channel, you like ring the bell icons and but now I don't like to tell all these things. Just subscribe my channel, ring the bell. This is your personal choice. If you think my video or my content is really help you and help your words, then I will feel privileged. Yes, my video somehow managed to help some people. And your encouragement, if you watch my video, if you think yes, my video's content is good, then obviously I will be encouraged by you and I will upload the next videos. What this much today. Until then, have a nice day. God bless you. Because of this pandemic situation, everybody are staying at home. And one simple advice, everybody have given their own advice. Stay home, save life, family first. And only one precious life God has given to us. Try to maintain it and try to protect it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.